What's going on YouTube? It is Mr. Game Squatch here. Welcome to the Squatch Den. Today is going to be like part 3 of the 3-in-1 LEGO Creator Series Haunted Mansion set. It's supposed to be like Haunted Mansion, Train, and Ghost Ship. And in today's video, we're going to be building the LEGO Train part of it. If you haven't seen the other videos, check them out. They should be popping up at the top here. We already did the Ghost Ship, and we did the Haunted Mansion itself. So if you like this video, go check those ones out as well. But just like in those other videos, this one will be a time-lapse video, and then we'll show it off the actual product at the end of it. And so I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys towards the end of the video. Alright, here we go. This is the finished product of building the Ghost Train. It's kind of hard to see down there, but it sits on like little clear pieces that kind of looks like it's floating off the ground. I really like the style of this build. I like the fact that you can use these like angled pieces, makes the engine look really cool. I like that like front plow too, is really cool. Got the little ghost, got your skeleton with a hat. It's like a little coal car, and yeah, you kind of see in there all the little controls and everything in there. And then even the little platform too is pretty neat too. It's like a little bench right here. You're supposed to kind of just freely sit him on there with the little clock at the top. Frankenstein coming up the steps. I think this is pretty good. If you guys enjoyed this video, try and drop a like, maybe follow the channel if you enjoy my content, and check out some of the other videos popping up right here. And hope you guys stay happy and healthy, and have a good day.